Hi, it's Ben with Hague, and I can't wait to see you at our second annual Back to School CE CLE series.
Hi, I'm Ahmed Al-Haj, Senior Forensic Engineer with Hague, and part of the team hosting next month's Impact, Forces, Failures, and Forensics event.
For anyone who attended last year's Fire, Learn and Burn event, you already have a sense of what to expect from one of our events. For those new to our immersive educational series, let me paint a quick picture. First off, we'll be at Arnold's Family Fun Center in Oaks, Pennsylvania on October 15th, 2025. Yep, place with go-karts, laser tag, amusement rides, billiards, bowling. You get the idea. Your day begins with some demonstrations using physics-based elements of Arnold's facility itself. We have morning and afternoon sessions planned, delving into the relationships between forces and motion-induced damage. All is impacted by human factors as well. After the classroom lessons, it's time for physics lab. First scale down, then full scale. In the scale down demonstrations, you'll see how engineering can either improve or impair a simple game of billiards. You'll also get to personally destroy some models of building elements placed on our custom-built shake tables that simulate earthquake motions and forces. You'll learn hands-on what makes a structure more or less robust for resisting earthquakes. Then, it's time to go full scale, outside, putting your learning to the test. You'll be asked to predict outcomes of 4 different collision scenarios based on changing variables learned about in the classroom. From there, lots of things get broken live to see how we apply forensics to prove out the physics of causation based on the damage created.
I'd say I'm most looking forward to showing you how we use shake tables to simulate earthquakes. You have to see it to believe it. How a building can survive one earthquake but collapse in a smaller one. I've seen wind take down a house under construction, but not the one right next door. All these phenomena and more can be explained, and we'll show you how. So come, join us. Bring your questions, your energy. Meet experts who love what they do. I'll see you there.
Sign up today before all the seats are gone. I'll see you there.